children, so today we are going to start a new topic, parts of a computer. So what is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine and it is used to write, draw, play games, listen to music and also watch cartoons and movies. Advantage of using computer. A computer works very fast than we humans. It can do big calculations in a very short period of time. It does not make mistake. It makes our work easy. It can also remember many things because computer has a very large memory. We human beings, we can forget things, but computer, it has a big storage unit and it can remember many things. It does not get tired and it can do big calculations very fast. The main parts of computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer, speakers. The monitor. The monitor is used to write whatever we type using a keyboard. We can write letters, poems, and we can also do big calculations. Whatever we type using a keyboard, it will display on the monitor. The monitor is also called Visual Display Unit or VDU. A monitor looks like a TV screen. The keyboard, we type using a keyboard. There are many keys on a keyboard. Number keys, letter keys. Number keys are used to write the numbers. So 0 to 9 number keys are present on a keyboard. Letter keys are used to write words and sentences. A to Z letter keys are present on a keyboard. Spacebar key is used to put space between the letters and words. Dear children, whenever we write a sentence, we give space in between the words or letters. So we can click the spacebar key to give space in between the letters and the words. Enter key is used to go to the next line. Whenever we want to go to the next line, we will click the enter key. Caps lock key is used to write capital letters. Shift key is also used to write capital letters and also to type the option given at the top of a particular letter. For example, dear children, if you see the number key 8, you will see a star sign at the top of the key. So if you want that star sign, then we will press shift key and that key together so that we will get that option at the top of a particular letter. Cursor key is used to move the cursor up, down, left or right. Backspace key is used to erase the character to the left of the cursor. For example, you can see I have written a word book. So you can see a dash in between like B-O-O-K, a dash is there. That dash is called the cursor. So cursor key is used to move up, down, right or left, wherever we want to go. Suppose we have written a paragraph and we want to delete something at the first line. So we will move the cursor key up and we will go to that particular location and we can delete or we can edit it there. And backspace key is used to erase the characters left of the cursor key. Whatever is written on the left side, we can delete using a backspace key. And delete key is used to erase the character on the right side of the cursor. Then we have mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It is used to point to a space on the screen. The arrow you can see, that is the pointer, okay? And whatever we want to point on a monitor, we can move the mouse and we can move the cursor. We can move the pointer wherever we want to go. The mouse is also used to draw pictures and play games. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. and a mouse is usually kept on a mouse pad. Here you can see the picture how we should hold a mouse. Okay. CPU. CPU, the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit, and it is the brain of the computer. The CPU is the main part of the computer as it runs the computer. It do the processing part. Okay. See, whatever we type using a keyboard, it appears on the monitor. For example, we want to add 1 plus 1. So the answer is 2. So CPU will do the calculation. It is the brain of the computer. So CPU will do the calculation and it will show on the monitor. Printer. Whatever we type using a keyboard, it appears on the monitor and it can be printed out on a paper using a printer. For example, you have drawn a picture and you want to take a printout of it. So using a printer, you can take whatever you have drawn, it will be printed on a piece of paper. That printed piece of paper is called hard copy. Okay. So whatever we type using keyboard can be printed on paper using a printer. The speaker is used to listen to music. Okay. Thank you, children.